Hello. Hi, this is Dr. Nancy Kirsner, and I'm a counseling psychologist and a marriage and family therapist. I was thinking about voice, and if eyes are the window to our soul, I think that voice is the sound of our soul. Many people come through the door for therapy and they actually use the phrase, I need to find my voice. I need to speak the truth. And part of the therapy is to empower them to find their words and use their voice. Sometimes people actually overuse their voice and underuse their voice. So sometimes it's a matter of helping people learn to speak up more and use their voice more. And sometimes it's a matter of helping people tone down that. Whichever end we're working on with our voice, I really see our voice is kind of our signature voice print in the world. It says a lot about who we are, and I always tell people to speak and use their voice with kindness, respect, and honesty. Thanks for listening.